Hey, my people. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, ring that bell so you can stay up to date on all the shit we got coming for y'all. Today we have a mystery box unboxing from Vettsy. This is actually the Valentine's Day mystery box. I know they don't have it anymore, but they do offer a mystery box every month that you can buy that I will believe will be similar to this. This mystery box was $70, $69.99. And you can also get what they call a lucky bag, which is what I'm opening here. These are $9.99, and they're just, you know, miscellaneous stuff for $9.99, which is about how much one product would be. So here we have a chrome pen, which I love the pens because I always make a total mess with chrome. Oh, and that's pretty too, nice silver. Oops. Cuticle oil, something that we can never get enough of, y'all. I have cuticle oil everywhere, in my purse, on my nightstand, everywhere. Oh, and they smell good too. A lot of them don't actually have the smell in it, but that one smelled like jasmine. Oh, purple, yes, purple glitter. And we got some little caviar beads. Those are cute. Like, I need more glitter, y'all. Gosh. Oh, nice little wheel of gold charms. We got some hearts, looks like. It looks like a stoplight. Triangles, circles. Nice. That little stoplight, that's giving me some ideas. Gel liner, yes. Pretty yellow. And gel liners, for some reason, are stupid expensive, so it's nice to get some. And the brush is small. I love that, because a lot of them have big, thick brushes. I'm like, what kind of lines are y'all trying to make? Poly gel. Okay, a nice nude. I'll swatch that later. And we got some French lines. Stickers, hearts, and like some fall flowers. Okay, so that's not bad for $9. That's a nice amount of stuff you get there. So that gets a yes. Now we get to the mystery box, which was not in a box. I'm not sure why I was in a bag, but moving on. These are cute. They're little flowers. Some white little flowers, pearls in there, and little beads. We got some flower stickers, black and gold, silver hearts. Oh, we got hearts. Oh, that one is my favorite. Look at that. Nail lamp. It looks like a little rose. That is too cute. These look like they might be good to put on the press-ons too. It does not come with the plug, so just so you know. And it has the button inside, so you can put your finger on the button to make it start. Nice. Okay, well, we're missing some from this. It was open, so let me get to the rest of these. We got some hearts. Looks like some of them are open hearts too. Cute. I'm going to shove them back in here. Get in there. was missing. Got it. More cuticle oil, yes. Orange. Oh, I bet you that smells delicious. Love it. Oh, liner striper brushes. Something else that I can never have enough of, because I always end up messing mine up somehow. Acrylic Paint Pen. Oh, I've seen these. These are nice, but I don't like to draw in acrylic like that because it dries so fast. But those are nice though. Gel brush. Ooh, we got some stones. Very shiny. And those kind of look iridescent a little bit. More hearts. Never enough hearts. And glitters. Oh my gosh. And these are, a few of them are colors that I don't have. Let's open up these bad boys. Oh, I love that one. Oh, or do I love that one? Okay, I'm gonna stop because I love them all. More poly gel. Marshmallow. Is that a pink marshmallow? Okay, we'll have to put them in a swatch pile. And bad Vettsy. Look at that. That's a mess. So I'm thinking maybe they had to repackage this. Maybe something happened with the box and they repackaged it in the bag. And, you know, it is shipping from overseas. So maybe there was some calamity with the box. But this is a mess, y'all. Let's clean up that bad boy. And we got another gel liner, orange, which is great. Coming into spring, we can have the orange with the yellow liner that I got. Cute. And gel polish. Now this is the first gel polish I got from Vettsy, so very pretty. I can't wait to use it. Love that silver. Ooh, sparkly silver, yes. And we got more of my favorite, the solid gel polish. I already have this red, but I have dug into that, so I'm so happy I got another one. Ooh, a nice nude. Okay. Grrr. More orange. Oh, this is a mess. So I just cut it open. Oh my God, look at that purple, y'all. Oh, and a dotting tool. That's cute. Looks like it has little candy pieces inside. And we got some gel pots. Some pots of gel polish. So we'll swatch those later too. And 5-in-1 top coat. Okay. Oh, that's cute. cute. We got rose gold, gold, silver. Oh, and that has some hearts in it too. Nice. And some tiny hearts there. And some dots. Some other shapes. Cute. Oh, those look like candy. These kind of look like some I got from Shein. So cute. Chains, yes. Oh, those are gonna be adorable. And here we just got miscellaneous little kawaii baubles. Looks like all kinds of stuff in there. All right, let's open up these gel pots and see what colors we got. Oh, are they all sparkly? I approve. Pretty, yes. Girl, put fingers together. I don't know why I tried to get that open without that. You know I cannot open that. Oh, that's a pretty pink. All right, so now let's swatch these bad boys, and here are the swatchings. They are all gorgeous. Here is everything we got in our Valentine's Day mystery box. I think that's a lot for 70 bucks. I'm very impressed. They also have, like I said, the monthly mystery box that you can get. If you want to save some coin, I do have a coupon code, and I'll leave that in a link in the description. And here is what I did with the items from this box. So I want to say thank you all for watching my video. If you liked, go ahead and leave a comment, leave me a like, and go ahead and subscribe if you haven't. Thank you all for watching. Love you, Kay. Bye-bye.